Oliver, what are you doing? Why are you making a mess out of my room? Yes, you stop now that you got caught, huh? Oh, God damn it. Oliver, why are you dropping all my shit? Say, 'cause I can. Look at the mess he's making. Look at the mess. What are you doing with my mouse? Oh, man. You think you're so funny, huh? So funny. What was that? Oh, yeah, more shit that you dropped. Why don't you just knock over the whole thing? It's at the S Pen. You don't care. What you gonna do with that, huh? Was that what you were going for the whole time? What, do you think there's drinks in there? There's nothing. There's holes all over it. What's gonna be in there? Nutcase. Now put everything back inside. Or not. You're a butt, you know that? You're a butt. No, don't touch the nerds. Don't.